Love Uganda, love Africa. So I love Trump.
Ale Trump ni saro yerin yedibe.
For chasing you. People who don't care about their country, they always go all over the place. So this teaches you that you build your own capacity within Uganda,
there,
within Africa. So therefore, this was our message from even before when we were still students in the 1960s. It is not correct to say that everybody in Uganda is poor. There are some who are very rich. But we are aware that there are many Ugandans who don't have their own savings. That's why from 1996, we said, let the government, in addition to roads and electricity and so on, provide cheap capital to our smaller people. 97, we started with Ntandikwa. Now, people who listen, who were able and listen, have become very rich.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.